I'm cooking you. Hello, hello. This one, come here, is for you. This one's for you. So next, we cook Pepper's favorite protein. We are going to make this beef dish. Chinese we call fei niu, like a fat beef. What do you think, Pepper? No, it's not for you. For your sister, brother, circus tonight. So this beef dish is gonna cook with my 17-year-old pickle brain. The pickle in this 17-year-old pickle brain. Probably, right? Older than you. For chopping peppers, I always like to put some gloves on because that kind of gonna burn your finger. If you touch the seeds inside, it's spicy. Clean chopsticks. Otherwise, your pickle brain will die. We need a cup of these red peppers. So if you don't have your own pickles at home, you can buy those pickled pepper in the package from the Asian market. Yeah. And the pickled mustard green. So this pickle jar here, the clay jar, is the original one from China. I brought here on the plane with me in 2005. So this jar. So this jar you can't really see inside, but this one you can see the same. This is the original one, and this jar I got in the Asian market, just a local Asian market, you can get one. More pickles here. Oh, look at this one, so long. Because my pickle brain is 17 years old, so strong. Anything I pickle, mostly ready in a day. Some of the green vegetables, like Celtuce, Celtuce, are ready in a few hours. So now we're chopping this for the beef dish. So beef dish tastes a little sour and a lot of pickle flavor in here. Chop this. You see the seeds. If you don't want it too spicy, we can get rid of some seeds. So the green pepper is a fresh pepper, it's not pickled. Adds some color and different texture. Here are the pickled mustard green. Those one easily you can get in Asian market. Next one, I'm chopping the enoki mushrooms. Just to get rid of the roots. One chop here. It's really easy. Then we just separate them. Wash and separate them. They're ready. Here's the wok. High heat, always high heat and stir fry. You want a really hot wok, cold oil. So first we're gonna heat the wok. Right there, right, Pepper? All right, see the smoking hot. Add the cooking oil. See me? Oh, okay. First we add garlic, just be careful. Little splatter and ginger. Oh, okay, right there. And half of the green onions, so I will leave the half as a garnish. Gonna stir fry this until fragrant. Oh, I can already smell this so good, right? Pepper smells so good. Every time I'm cooking some food here, he just stays here waiting for some food to drop. My favorite ingredient, Sichuan peppercorn. Drop in. I want a little more numb, tingling in here. So I add actually a lot more than probably my recipe. You smell that. I'm just going to stir fry the pickles right here. And some of the peppers. My pepper smells so good. You know, every time I cook a Chinese food anywhere in my house and in this apartment, when you walk in, my whole place smells probably like Chinese food. So after a couple minutes, next you want to add some of your chicken soup, chicken stock, but it's fine for this dish. If you don't have any chicken soup, you can just add water. See, I'm measuring right now. Okay, with my Chinese eyeballs. Just like my grandma. We didn't have any measuring spoons or these fancy measurement stuff, but still food turns out delicious. But I put the recipe here. You can see I measure it for you. But when I'm cooking every day, I just measure my eyeballs. If you don't have Chinese eyeballs, just practice with me. You'll get there. One of my favorite is this Celtuce. I also pickle those in the pickle jar too. Oh, it's great as pickle. So first you cook your vegetables, then we cook the beef. And the enoki mushroom cook really fast in here. Probably gonna be 2 or 3 minutes. This will be done, the mushrooms. I'm cooking it first. Also adding some of the green vegetable, the Celtuce. So for this one, we're also going to add some Chinese vinegar. This is a rice vinegar, so it's a little dark. Add in there. See, I'm measuring. The most important thing is you have to taste your food. So that's why you know you add the right amount. The beef only cooks really short time, so we're gonna add in this, the last minute, the last thing you add is your beef. Add some salt to taste. Ooh. White pepper. Doing a taste test on the soup. It's good. So another thing is if you don't have chicken soup, you can add chicken powder. This is good too. Add water, add some chicken powder. Not much. I already have chicken soup in here. Just a little bit of umami flavor. So now the beef ready to jump in the soup. Red pepper is your favorite part. Those thin-sliced beef you can get in any Asian market. This one actually from a Korean market, local market. Also the beef in the soup, this soup is gonna have a lot more flavor. When you see the color turns, that means it's cooked. It's like a minute. While we are waiting, I got another separate pot right there. Add some more oil. I'm gonna heat a little bit of oil on the side. I'm gonna watch it. Don't wanna burn the apartment. So this is your last step, the most fun part, right here. Oh, just so good. Can't wait to have it. I'm lifting wok all the time. I got like a bad tennis elbow by lifting wok. So, with both hands, this here. Oh, just, you can smell this through the camera. Bring it a little closer. Oh. Oh, this is a lot of soup. Look at that. Oh, watching my oil. Let me know if it's burning. It's not burning yet. I'm gonna pour everything in this big plate. Is it burning yet? So it's a little trick I check the oil is, I use one chopstick, you put in, if it's hot enough, if I say bubbles. If you see little bubbles on your oil, that means the oil is hot enough. Because we didn't have a thermometer in China when I grew up, so we just check with chopsticks. So before you put the hot oil on your food, I'm gonna sprinkle the fresh peppers, the green ones are fresh, and some more pickled peppers on top. All right, my oil's ready. Some more green onions here. So we do this. Oh, hear that sound? It means delicious. Oh, now what we need, Pepper? Some rice. Let's try. Oh God, I'm gonna crash the kitchen. So here's some rice. Usually you can eat this just with empty bowl, but I like to eat with rice. Look at this. Move it a little closer to you so you can taste this with me. Here with some rice on the bottom. Oh, get some more. Oh. Let's do a taste. So the beef is so thin, look at so long, right there. So good with rice. Let me just take first test. Maybe Daddy want to try some. Chris, 老公. So when you call for dinner in Chinese family, you just shout out. And my parents used to call me for dinner, my grandparents. They just say, dinner, and say, 吃饭了, right? That's how you get the whole house to sit together. Hello, hello. This one, come here, is for you. This one's for you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time in VR. VR is what's so good because you can actually like taste the food.